Hi, welcome to data analysis with SQL. Here, let me quickly um, introduce another scalar function in SQL, the reverse. This reverses all our characters. We'll see how they function. So, we want to do hands-on on our SQL function. So, for our aggregate functions, you can say select average of rating, the average of rating as average, let's say AVG ratings from our players table. So I will select, this is the average ratings that we are having. Now, in this average rating, I will have my counts. You already know how we are using our counts. Select count. I can say count all. I can say count all as m count from our employee table. From our employee table, let me have it this way. So I've counted all that we have in our employee table. It is 9. Earlier on, having followed this SQL, I said these are some of our KPIs in our SQL. Then we can have our minimum rating. I can have just paste and then have minimum as minimum rating. As minimum rating. This is our minimum rating. We had use can have a maximum rating as max rating or highest rating. See how it works. And then our round, I can have our round as this. I want to bring in average rating. Select round. Select round. Select round. Hope this works. Let's check. I hope this works. For our SQL statement. Okay, you see it rounds to the nearest. I give it to the nearest. I would have put like 2 to round it to 2 decimal places. You see, 2 decimal places. But if I do not put anything, to round to the nearest whole number. So you see, if I put 0, if I put 4, I put 4. So this is our round. How to use our round. Then let me go to a few scalars. I want to select, and then I'll say upper. Before I go on, I want to select all our tables so that we see what we have in our table. From employee, let me use the employee table. Okay, so you see, I want to turn the last name to capital letters or to uppercase letters. I'll say select upper, last name as capital as capital from employees table. So to turn everything to capital letter, see, if I say lower, to turn everything to lower, I say lower, turns everything to lower letters. See? So this is how they work, and then I may have reverse. I may have a reverse. For instance, I can have a reverse. Let me bring in reverse job. Let's use reverse job. So it reverses all the letters. River as river. We just have as river. So see what it returns. It reverses all the letters. I want to use our length function. I want to use our length function as length as last length. Just the name and see what it returns. It returns the length of each of the names. So let me say select. I'll say last name, and then the length of each of the name. See, I have my last name, the length, if you count, this is 7 letters. Return them side by side. This is our data analysis with SQL. You can try out the other functions that we may not have tried. You can see now function. You can try the format function, the mid function. They are all so easy going. This is our data analysis with SQL, and it is so interesting that as you follow through, you can always enjoy hands-on. You can always enjoy making everything you need to make in your SQL. So quickly, I'm introducing to us joins. Joins in SQL. What is a join in SQL? A join in SQL, joins is used to combine rows or more tables based on a related column between them. That is SQL joins, to combine. So we have different types of joins in SQL. We have the inner join, we have the left join, we have the right join, we have the outer join, the full outer join in our SQL. So these joins, when used, like we said, to combine rows or more tables together. We'll stop here for now, and when we come back, we will look at how joins work in SQL. Thank you.